Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about agentic AI applications code using LangChain. We know that in the previous video we see that what is agentic AI, how it's connected with the rack and everything, what is the vector database, everything we see. In this video we're going to see about create how to create the multi-agent applications using LangChain. So we know that agentic AI is a autonomous um, system to think and take decision automatically. So with this LangChain, we are going to see the agentic AI applications. So here we will see about the code. So I installed the what are the uh, libraries we needed and everything runnable base tool memory what are things needed everything I added here. Also here we connect with the LLM model. So okay, I will install the LangChain library here. It's installing. So here I will install API with the chat GPT. This is a model we are going to use session. Then I will install again the LangChain core. It will use. Here we are going to create multi-model, multi-agentic applications. Okay, we will create now one agent with multiple tool. We know that agentic AI is a uh, like a model. Is it will act as a brain. With this brain, we will connect multiple tools. So when we send any prompt, it will go to the brain as a model. It will take decision which tool it will go. So after that, you will go to the tool one or two. Based on the prompt, you will go to the necessary tools. So we are creating the calculator as one tool and connect with one one brain as LLM model. So I create the tool. So the tool is nothing but we created a function. This function will create the calculator tool. If anyone has sent message, okay, I need to calculate a plus b means it will go to this tool. I need to know some information means it will go to the another knowledge based tool. It's like a knowledge based agent. Okay, so we create the tool with this tool and calculator, then calculator as a functions. In this calculator functions evaluate a numeric math expression and parentheses mathematical functions. This is the doc strings we added, and these are the mathematical operations is allowed here. Allowed nodes or expression, binary, load, everything is allowed here. Then I will do these things. I will do the calculations and node allowed namespace updated. Then it will if the related expression available, it will show the expression contains invalid available, otherwise it will show the invalid nodes. Then it will the calculator tools will add into this to a tool math. Then it will for this agent we will create the prompt. So all the agent will work based on the prompt. So chat prompt template from message. See here we mention system, you are a precious math assistant. You can use a tool what they will create a tool. When you are going to use a tool following this instruction exactly the same format, you need to question, you need to thought. We ask the agent to thought action by using one of the tools as us that you have tool names. What the tool name here? This is the tool math and calculator. This is the one. Okay. Always finish with final. Give me the numeric answer to the question. Then okay. So it shows as I will run this. I will run this require libraries. Yeah, after run it's appear now. So next I will create the agent. Here you will create the agent with agent LLM. So we are add the LLM here and prompt here and tool. What the tool we are going to use in the agent we are adding here. I think it's restarted, right? That's why we will. Yeah, now it will work. We will tool math. This is the one. Yeah, added memory. Then we create the memory for that, the buffer memory, and we can maintain memory as a database, and we can add the memory in the buffer and on the Windows memory. So the chat information will be moved for the next chat to remember the previous histories. So here chat memory, adding everything, then buffer memory. Yeah, we added the chat history input output. Then we add the agent executor as agent math. We are adding the tool whatever needed mathematical verbose means it will show the what are the actions the agent is taking and thinking in the execution. So this we created one um, we created one agent. So this is the one agent. We need to create another agent for connect as a orchestrator to do the actions. So let me check how to do this another agent. We will create another agent as knowledge base articles. So this is the another tool with kb search. Okay. So when we send any information, it will check the KB articles here and bring the related informations. I will create again, assign the tool here. Then I will create prompt for this agent. So I created like system. You are the helpful assistant that you can answer question based on the knowledge base following tools. Then same like this thought actions and return the result. So this is connect prompt related connect with the is this agent. Then I will create the React agent. So I connected the tool, prompt, and the prompt and tool. So this is the brain. This is the prompt. What the system will do, we need to mention, and what are the tools is connected with this one. Okay, and so conversation buffer window memory. So same like previous agent, we are connecting the memory here. So memory is very important to make remember the previous conversation for the agent. And same like that, agent executor, same like previous agent, we need to, in the agent executor we need to connect the agent tool, memory, verbose, everything. This will help to understand by the agent. So again, one more thing, this is the prompt we are going to give for the orchestration. This orchestration means a router. Router means it will connect both the agent, and it will think and decide which agent need to take this prompt request. So for that we create one template, one prompt. So you are the router, read the user message and output exactly on token. So if we will send the math, it written the math, if it's as for calculation, if it KB, it is knowledge articles. So based on the keyword, it will go to the related agent. Okay. So this is the in the lang graph, it will have advanced one. In the lang chain, we need to consider like conditions. So now we create the router chain. Router chain, we indicate the router prompt, LLM model, and string output. So it will what the prompt is sent, the router will use its brain and take the decision. So is very important for us. So we create another function. This is the private function. It will also based on the decision. Say as I say, based on the decision return keyword, math or KB, it will go to the related agent. So dispatch input router what the return math or KB, it will return the related uh, result. So this is very important. Now we will create the dispatcher here, run number lambda. Now we will create it here. Then we created the now router. So each user we have own session, right? So we need to create a session to maintain the history. So in the chat GPT Gemini, you can see the each chat you to create one session. So each session will maintain their own memories, right? Further, we create the session here. So session will capture the histories. Okay. So in the history, we need to get the chat message history. Okay, the session for everything here. So after that we created runnable with message history. So this is like a dispatcher. From here all the actions will be start to do. So dispatcher and guest history, input, output, this one is message, everything will be added here. Then after that we will set the session as user one. Then we will go with like orchestrator invoke. So we will going to send prompt to the orchestrator based on the cap prompt, what is the capital of France. So based on the prompt, so it find that it's a KB articles. So the web post bring the result, action, everything. At the end, it will bring the correct values. Capital of France. So what is the capital of France? It will return in the at the end. So it will iterate. So till it get the correct informations, right? So now we created the agentic multi-agent application using the LangChain. So we can use this code in the any framework and develop the applications. So same like that, we will create one, what is sine of 90. So when I do this calculation, um, automatically it will decide the necessary tools and give the proper response. It must be detect as mathematics, but unfortunately it's showing like this. Let we change a different prompt. We'll cancel this and calculate a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and return the result as c value. Let me check where it's going. See, now based on the prompt is automatic find is a math prompt, so it automatically go to the is checking web pass. This is the web pass I said. Automatically check and go to the related agent and give the result. So now we created the agent, multi-agent using um, LangChain. So please, I will add this uh, document in the YouTube video, so everyone will see that one. Train yourself, use in your applications. We will see in another video with new topics. Okay, so see, it says now it's go when I send the prompt. I said mathematics to find this is the mathematical agent. It go to mathematical agent and calculate a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and return value as c history. So see what is understanding. It's I has to return value as c, so you return value as c. When you send the result in the c means it will show as a 20 result. So it's like that. Return the value, return the result value of calculation. So it will calculate and return the value, right? So well, let's we see in another video.